Hi, Kevin Byrne here with the Byrne Real Estate Group. Let's talk about the mortgage process and why it doesn't have to necessarily be scary. We find that if people don't know about loans or lending, most people are kind of weary of the process and also of what what's to be expected. So let's talk about that. What do you need to know to get a mortgage, to get kind of started on that? Number one is know your score. FICO score, your credit score, is very important in the purchase of a home. Kind of your credit worthiness. Typically, the higher the score, the better the rate that you can get. So, kind of build a strong credit history. Number two is organize your documents. Make sure you get all your tax returns, bank statements, any financial assets or debts. You need to make sure you have those documents to provide to your lender to evaluate, to figure out, okay, what can I afford? Number two, lean on professionals. Talk to real estate people you know, talk to lenders, get advice of trusted advisors that you can talk to, and lenders, and really who are the best advisors, kind of trusted advisors out there in the marketplace. So take a look at that, lean on that, those experience of those people who are in the industries. Number two, discuss your loan types and terms. So there's lots of different ways. You can look at a 30-year, you can look at, there are ARMs, adjustable rate mortgages that are out there. There's VA, there's FHA. There's a lot of different programs out there with different down payment programs. So again, find out what is out there. I think a lot of people think, hey, I need 10 or 20% to buy. You don't. You could pay a lot less, get into something, maybe even at the same amount that you're renting right now. So get some information, get armed with some facts and knowledge about what's out there. And then I would also advise, make sure you have a budget in mind that you're comfortable with. You still got a plan for retirement. Maybe you've got some kid or college funding you need. You don't want to be, if this is the right term, house poor, where all your assets are going into just a single asset. You want to make sure you still feel comfortable with the payment that you're going to do. And then lastly, get pre-approved. So what that means is having all the documentation is fully approved versus pre-qualified, where you just talk to someone for 5 or 10 minutes over the phone. So get all the information so you have a full approval, and that's going to help you when you actually go out into the marketplace. I do like working with local lenders. I do like sitting face to face, or at least Zoom call these days with someone, so you can kind of talk to them versus some of the big banks. And many times they're very competitive in terms of their interest rates as well. So hopefully that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know.